We know that real estate agents bring order to the chaos of buying the perfect home. Agents help buyers navigate the complexities of buying a home, discover the latest listings, and focus their buying decision. But despite all that real estate agents do, they still struggle to establish their value with buyers. Because of this, buyers switch agents, wander endlessly on apps like Zillow and Trulia, and take forever to make buying decisions. We realized agents needed a solution to better establish their value with buyers. So we created fullfeel. Fullfeel is one platform with all the tools a real estate agent needs to efficiently and effectively guide their buyers. Fullfeel lets agents easily create personalized videos for their buyers, lets buyers record properties so that they can revisit them, and lets agents and buyers quickly access all their shared content in one place. Fullfeel does it all in the cloud. Using narratives, agents can easily record themselves on top of MLS listings, disclosure documents, their buyer's guide, and pretty much anything else they want. Narratives are a fast and easy way for agents to deliver valuable guidance to their buyers. Using moments, buyers can record the properties they tour. This lets them capture their reactions and experiences while they tour the property. And Fullfeel automatically stores the recorded videos to the cloud, rather than taking up space on a buyer's phone. Moments lets buyers relive the properties they tour and share their experience of a property with their loved ones. Best of all, when a buyer captures a moment, their agent is notified and is able to view it too. Moments empowers agents to provide their buyers with a truly remarkable technology to never forget the homes they tour. Spaces simplifies the way agents share content and communicate with their buyers. With Spaces, buyers no longer have to dig through their emails, text messages, and MLS listings to find content sent to them by their agent. Instead, all their content shared with them is automatically stored in one easy-to-access space. It's time for a real estate platform that enables real estate agents to provide their buyers with a great buying experience. It's time for technology to start empowering real estate agents instead of trying to replace them. It's time for Fullfeel.